Hi Jason, we will just take a look of account syncing with the QuickBook. Here now you can see this is the custom setting for account syncing that all the Salesforce to QuickBook account creations to all those QuickBook account sync is also true, and this is a custom setting for field mapping. You can see there balance, DBA, description, email, and all other fields field mapping. Now we will create one account for testing a null values. Okay. Now we'll just take a look. As we got the QuickBook customer ID from the QuickBook, means this record is created in the QuickBook. Now we will see that record. Hmm. Now it has a print letter true. Now we will make a we will update the facts field. And this facts field is not in the custom setting, so it will not update in Salesforce. Now we will update the phone in Salesforce. Now we got a sync token 2 in the Salesforce, means this phone field is updated in QuickBook. We will just take a look. As we got the phone field updated in QuickBook and facts field remains as it is. Okay, now we will just try once. We have updated facts in Salesforce. Here in QuickBook, this facts field is as it is. Now we will remove the phone field. Okay. Now let's see in QuickBook. Okay. As this phone field is in custom settings, it was vanished from the QuickBook as vanished in Salesforce. Now I think this is working fine. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day.